Our vlog for today. Our menu for today. Chicken feet. Yan guys, chicken feet. At ano luto yan? Kalirit ang kambing. Ayan. Pulutan na rin to guys. Oh, ayan, kay chef, turn over. Ano? Sarap. Yun, tinikman na boss.
Sabi ka.